Pi, the revolutionary chatbot developed by Inflection AI, challenges the dominance of ChatGPT by offering personal assistance and emotional support. It is powered by deep reinforcement learning and natural language processing techniques, enabling Pi to engage users in deep, meaningful conversations. Pi provides tailored support and helps users develop empathy and emotional intelligence. While concerns about AI dependency and authenticity persist, Pi's unique depth and capabilities pave the way for a new era of virtual companionship, complementing genuine human connections. In the world of AI, a revolutionary chatbot named Pi emerges, challenging the dominance of ChatGPT. Pi is not just another artificial intelligence, it is designed to provide personal assistance and emotional support. Inflection AI, the company behind Pi, aims to create a chatbot that engages in deep, meaningful conversations, elevating the user's experience beyond mundane chit-chat. Pi's secret sauce is a combination of deep reinforcement learning and natural language processing techniques. Through interactions with users, Pi learns and improves its conversational skills over time. It becomes like a friend, retaining knowledge and growing smarter with each interaction. But Pi is not limited to emotional support alone. It seamlessly integrates with various apps, keeping users organized in their digital lives. Empathy in bites. Pi's true power lies in its empathetic understanding of human emotions. It astounds users with its ability to genuinely listen and offer thoughtful advice. When a user feels overwhelmed or struggles with self-doubt, Pi encourages them to break down their problems into manageable tasks and reminds them that seeking help is okay. With advanced algorithms, Pi analyzes users' emotions and responds with tailored support, a friend who knows when to offer a tissue or crack a joke to lift spirits. Unleashing emotional intelligence. Beyond providing support, Pi has the potential to teach users empathy and emotional intelligence. By conversing with Pi, users receive feedback on their responses and suggestions for better reactions. Pi facilitates practice in empathic listening and communication skills, helping users understand different emotional cues and respond appropriately. With tailored exercises and scenarios, users hone their empathy and emotional intelligence skills in a safe environment, translating them into real-life interactions. The evolution of Pi. Inflection AI's developers gather feedback from Pi's interactions, continuously refining its algorithms. Collaboration with experts in AI and psychology aims to ensure Pi's profound understanding of humans. While Pi cannot replace face-to-face connections, it offers a means for people to develop emotional skills, fostering self-awareness and building stronger relationships. The pitfalls of AI dependency. Yet the implications of emotional attachment to machines raise concerns. Critics argue that relying on AI chatbots for emotional support can lead to disappointment. They emphasize that AI can never truly comprehend the complexities of human emotions. Data privacy also looms as a worrisome issue, with personal secrets stored in digital databases. Some worry that people might become addicted to AI companionship. Bizarre cases, like individuals falling in love with AI girlfriends or marrying AI holograms, showcase the extent to which people can become attached to these virtual beings. The potential preference for virtual connections over real-life ones poses the risk of increased isolation. Pi's unique depth. Amidst these concerns, Pi stands out from other chatbots. Its developers have put in a remarkable effort to make it empathetic and understanding. Pi fosters a deeper connection that other chatbots lack, providing an experience that feels genuinely human. While ChatGPT remains a top general-purpose AI, Pi excels in personal assistance and emotional support. A glimpse into the future. Pi's future remains uncertain. It showcases the impressive progress AI has made in understanding and supporting human emotions. Yet skepticism persists, questioning whether we are merely conversing with an advanced algorithm. Can AI chatbots truly replace the authenticity of human relationships? Only time will reveal the answer. As the journey continues, Pi offers a fascinating glimpse into the potential future of AI companionship. It bridges the gap between technology and emotional connections, sparking a dialogue on the ever-evolving relationship between humans and AI. Though uncertainties loom, Pi's unique capabilities pave the way for a new era of virtual companionship. A new era begins. In this ever-changing landscape of technology, Pi symbolizes the shift toward more empathetic and supportive AI. Its profound understanding of emotions and personalized assistance set it apart from its competitors. While Pi can't replace genuine human connections, it complements and enhances them, offering an intriguing vision of the possibilities that lie ahead. Pi represents a remarkable step forward in AI companionship with its empathetic understanding and personalized assistance. While concerns about emotional attachment and AI dependency persist, Pi's unique capabilities offer a glimpse into the potential future of virtual connections. It sparks a dialogue on the evolving relationship between humans and AI, opening new doors for technology and emotional connections. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling journey into the world of Pi, the AI chatbot that outperformed expectations and sparked conversations about the future of AI companionship. Stay tuned for more exciting developments in the world of technology and artificial intelligence.